Hi guys, welcome back to 4DDig. Today we will discuss how to fix those annoying corrupted SD card issues. Don't worry, no matter what reason your SD card is corrupted, here are 4 practical methods to help you recover data or repair the card. Let's start together. Method 1. Use CHKDSK command. Windows has a command line utility called CHKDSK. Check the file system and see whether or not there is a logical or physical error. So first, click Windows icon and select Terminal Admin. After clicking on Terminal Admin, type the following command CHKDSK-d/f/r/x. You can replace the D with the drive letter assigned to the volume. You can then proceed by selecting the Enter button. CHKDSK will locate the bad sectors in your SD card. After the process complete, check if problem has been solved. Method 2. Use error checking. To do this, you are able to utilize the error checker that is included in Windows that will automatically scan and fix system errors. Right-click on the USB drive and tap Properties, then go to the Tools and click the Check button. The tool will automatically start diagnosing the USB drive for system errors and fix it. Method 3. Assign new drive letter. First, go to Disk Management, right-click on the SC card and click Change Drive Letter and Paths. Now click on the Add or Change button. Select a new drive letter from the drop-down menu and click OK. Loads the Change Drive Letters and Paths window by clicking OK again. If none of these methods help you out, you can try 4DDig Partition Manager. Method 4. Use 4DDig Partition Manager. 4DDig Partition Manager is a reliable Windows partition management tool. It can not only help you migrate Windows OS to USD without reinstalling system, but also help you clone your entire disk or partition to upgrade disk. Moreover, it can help you resize, extend, split, create, or delete partitions. First, launch 4DDig Partition Manager. Head to Partition Recovery, then click Repair Partition. You can simply select the disk you want to fix, then hit Repair Now. Here you go. The problem has been solved. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.